Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've posted up a video because I have been dealing with this, like trying to get my office like fixed, redecorated, just so much going on. And I've come to realize that now that I have kids, everything just gets done at a slower pace, and I'm okay with that. But that's kind of what's been going on. It's just so messy in here. I literally can't even move around. My old like dressers are in here. I gotta still throw away. So that's what's been going on. I'm gonna try my best to have some videos up for you guys next week. Next week is gonna be the last week that's like all weird. But hi, welcome. I'm Bondbeautyful. I upload every single Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I like doing beauty videos. So welcome. If you're new, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified of all my future videos. And today's exciting because this is my favorite video of all time, is sharing with you guys my monthly favorites. And it's monthly favorite time. It's that time for monthly favorites. So I can't wait. And let me know, give me your feedback on what you think of the background, the hats, the everything, the whole boho vibe. Let me know down below in the comment section. Help a girl out. Okay, I can't wait to share a bunch of stuff with you guys. I have jewelry, I have fragrance, I have hair care, I have makeup, and I am just so freaking excited. Okay, let's just get started in no particular order. Let's talk about these little earrings that I have. These earrings are so trendy, having the little tiny hoop with a little dangling disc. Mine has a flower on it. I absolutely love it, and I think I might have a coupon code for it. I don't remember, but if I do, I will put it down there and I'll put it in the description box. But these are from Aviv. I don't know how to pronounce it, Aviv, and I love these. I'm obsessed with them. I get compliments every single time that I wear these, and I love the style. They're like the perfect size. They're small, but they're dangly, they're cute. If you have big ears like I do, these actually make my ears look smaller because they're just such a perfect size. I just obsessed with them. So I will link them down below if you are interested. But let's talk real quick about fragrance. So I'm a fragrance junkie. I love trying out new perfumes. I love trying like dupes. I love trying affordable, luxury, all different kinds. And lately, I've been looking for the perfect perfume to put on before bed. And I know that sounds weird, but I want to smell good, and I want my blankets and my pillow and everything to smell good and to wake up and it smells good, that I smell good. So I started to put on a perfume before bed, and I love this. Let me share it with you guys, and it's affordable. This is the Pacifica Dream Moon fragrance. This is 100% vegan. It's cruelty-free. You can find it over at Target, and they have all different kinds, but the Dream Moon is my favorite because the vanilla. So this has patchouli, sandalwood, pink rose, and it smells so warm, so cozy, so feminine, so juicy that it just is so good. And this is kind of, I feel like these Pacifica ones, they're kind of a little bit lighter, definitely a lot lighter because they are drugstore. They're not going to last as long as a Gucci perfume, for example. So these are perfect for the nighttime. They're not going to give you a headache, and they just smell so good. And I just douse this all over. I just love this. I have Dream Moon. I have Flower Moon, which Flower Moon is delicious too because it has the vanilla. But this Dream Moon is my absolute favorite before bed, and I wanted to share it with you guys if you wanted to try a perfume to bed. This one's a great one because it's so freaking affordable. But anyways, I love it. It's so freaking good. And they do have testers over at Target, so you can go sniff these yourself. But they're really, really good. Okay. Let's talk about eyeshadow palettes. There's two palettes in particular that I've been obsessed with as far as anytime that I put any eyeshadow on my eyes. These are the two palettes that I've been going to. And these are it. This is the Winky Lux palette. This is the Coffee Kitten palette, which I recently just posted about it over on Instagram. This is like a cool girls easy smoky eye palette. It's just really nice. It's pigmented. Winky Lux can be found over at Ulta, and I love the colors. There are some row of mattes here and a matte here, and then the rest are shimmers, and they're so beautiful, and they just give me a really easy smoky eye. Just a cool toned neutral smoky eye, and I really love it. And they even have this beautiful like taupey silver here that I think are really, really good. Besides that palette, the other palette I've been using, and the one that I used all over my lid to create this like cut crease, is the Luster Alter Ego palette. So Alter Ego is a drugstore priced brand that you can find online. They're not at the drugstore, but they're very, very affordable. If I have a coupon code, I'll put it down below. I don't remember if I do, but look, this one is so good. They have a few different palettes, but I love this one, and I love this color right here. This is the color I have all over my lid. This has like a warm, peachy, sun-kissed, orangey vibe, but it has enough peachiness in there that it's not like orange. I don't like orange copper eyeshadows unless they're like this, because this has enough pinky peach that this just looks amazing. This reminds me literally of the NARS Orgasm blush. If you like that blush, this is a perfect eyeshadow to pair with that. But it's really gorgeous. The shimmers in here are nice. There's only 2 mattes in here. It's this dark matte and this mauve right here. But this is a great palette to pair up with your other palettes. They are so beautiful. You don't need to wet your brush. Like, this is just a really good palette. I love Alter Ego. You guys know I do. It's my favorite, best discovery of all time. They're just such a good brand. Let's talk about foundations. I've actually been, it's been a while, I feel like, since I've talked to you guys, and I feel like I probably already told you about the Hollywood Flawless filter from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm still loving that. I actually mixed it in with my foundation today. It's such a good summer like tint. It's really, really nice, but I didn't want to mention it too much because I'm pretty sure I already mentioned this before. So the other 2 foundations that I've actually really loved is, first off, the Gucci Natural Finish Fluid Foundation. I mixed this one and the Charlotte Tilbury together, and I love how my face looks. I feel like it's very light because I only mixed a tiny bit of this, and it has some like sheen to it. Just looks really nice. But this baby, this is like my #1 foundation favorite. It is so good. It has beautiful coverage. It looks really nice on the skin. It's been working really well so far with the humanness outside, and this one just makes me look so flawless. Not to mention, I have the shade 250O, which is an olive shade, which is really nice. I try to gravitate more towards olive because the tanner I get, the more olive I get. So finding foundations that have olive in it is just really good for me. So I love this. It's a pricey foundation, but it is so good if you're going to get a high-end foundation. If you're going to try a high-end foundation, try this one. This is so good. This one's like battling my Dior foundation. You guys know those 2 are my absolute favorites. So that foundation. Now, on a more affordable end, on a more affordable note, this is the Carter Beauty Half Measure Dewy Foundation. Walmart. Carter Beauty is at Walmart, and they're still drugstore, but they're a little bit higher on the drugstore side of things, but they are really good products. This one, the Half Measure Dewy Foundation, is so nice. Gives me coverage. It gives me like the dewiness. It's perfect for dry skin gals. If you have oily skin though, I don't think you're gonna like it. But I have the shade here, Caramel Chew. I really love this. I've been kind of going between this one and my Gucci foundation all month long. So I'm really loving this. I have a review on this. I'll link it up on an iCard if you're interested. Pretty sure I have a review on the Gucci one as well. Okay, let's move on. Lashes. I haven't been wearing lashes lately. I've been just doing straight up mascara, and the mascara I want to talk about today is not here in front of me. Dang it. Dang it. I'll link my favorite mascara right now at the moment down below. I don't have it with me, sorry guys. But I've been doing mascara looks, strictly mascara looks, or these are the only lashes I've been wearing if I'm not doing mascara. These are the Lite Collection House of Lashes. This is an iconic light. That's what I'm wearing today. They're just so light. They're light, they're fluffy, they're so wearable. Like, I have been kind of going more towards natural looks, something that's less dramatic, and these are just so perfect. If you're a teen, if you're younger, if you want something not so dramatic, these are so great. They feel light on the eyes, they look amazing, and along with these is the House of Lashes glue. The House of Lashes eyelash adhesive, I have just absolutely been impressed. This won't budge. Your lashes will not come up if you use this lash glue. I have loved the AOA Studio lash glue for a long time, but that one can come up, especially if you're like, if it's like windy, it's like your lashes just want to like go off. This is literal cement for your eyelashes. So good. I just literally blow on my lashes for a couple of seconds and then they're good to go. I really love this lash glue, and I think I've just converted to the House of Lashes cult. I might just continue to buy this even though it's expensive, but anyways, these two are amazing and I've been really loving it. Okay, let's talk about lips, you guys. I recently did a lip swatch of all of the Wet n Wild Cloud Pouts. I talk about this all the time. I'm wearing 3 Cloud Pouts today on top of each other, and these are the most comfortable lippy you will ever try in your whole entire life. Literally feels like clouds, like softness on your lips. It has a soft matte finish, so you literally, you know how, you know what it feels like? You know how like this matte, that's like the soft touch matte cap from NARS, that's what this feels like on my lips. Like when I rub my lips together, it feels like the soft touch on my lips. Like that's what my lips are, like that soft touch. Anyways, I can't even explain it. I have really wrinkly, crinkly, lots of lines on my lips, but these just really smooth over. I really love them, and I have every single shade. I think that they're really good. This red is fantastic, but right now I have on these 3 shades because I started out with this one, which is Marshmallow Madness. It was a little too much in my face, especially since I have a lot going on in the eyes. Then I put on Girl You're Whipped, and then that wasn't nude enough, so I went in with my Die Hard True favorite nude of all time. This one here is Fluffer Mutter. Yeah, Fluffer Mutter. These are so small. I'm like getting old, so I'm like, I can't say that. Anyways, this is my favorite nude, so I topped it off with that, and I absolutely love these. Wet n Wild, super affordable. Oh, man, I love their lippies. Okay. Blush that I've been loving. The blush that I'm wearing right now, very lightly. This is the e.l.f. Always Fiery Blush. I wanted to talk about it because it looks so scary, and I wanted to show you guys that it doesn't have to be scary. You just have to be super light with it, and this blush created this. Can you even see that? I might need to put more on. Let me look. I dip it in, and I just swipe it. Like that, very lightly. This blush. So this, I've been loving this. I've been reaching for this, especially right now and when it's starting to get into summer. I really like colors like this. So I just wanted to give this baby a mention because it deserved it. It's definitely been my favorite. Okay. Let's switch over to skincare. You guys know I am obsessed with skincare. I try out so much skincare, and this brand has recently came to my attention, the Rilastil Laboratory Milano. I have a lot of their products. So I have this one here is the Progression HD Activator, Brightness Activator. I have been putting this on, so I put this on today. This is the serum I've been using, and it is so good. They also have the Illuminating Eye Contour Cream. It's works against wrinkle, puffiness, dark circles. I have been loving these. So this is basically have been my routine. I put this serum on, I put this eye puffer on, and then I finish off with just a cream. This is the Brightness Intensifier Illuminating Anti-Wrinkle Lifting Face Cream with HD Complex, again from Rilastil. If you haven't checked out this skincare brand, it's really good. It feels very luxurious on your skin. It makes your skin feel very soft and hydrated. So if you have dry skin, this is the one for you, but I do want to tell you, don't go crazy with this serum. This serum is super hydrating and really nice, and it'll make you oily if you like douse your skin. I put like 1 drop on each cheek and then it's pretty much good. But these 3 are so good. I'm so impressed. This is the first time that I've tried this brand and I actually really, really like it. So I'll link those below for you guys. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about Pacifica one more time. Pacifica has just absolutely impressed me. Their fragrances are amazing, but they have hair care, you guys, and they have hair care for curly gals. I know my hair isn't curly right now, but I'll pop up some pictures. If you don't believe me that my hair is curly, I'll pop up some pictures. I love their whole curling line. I have the shampoo, the conditioner, the mask. I have the, if there's anything else, oh, the pomade. I have everything from their line. These are my 2 favorite. The Pineapple Swirl Curl Defining Cream. I love this. This is so freaking good. If you guys want to see me show my curly hair routine using only these products, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll do that. I was debating doing that video, but I wasn't sure. So this is great for like wavy or curly hair. It's 100% vegan. It's cruelty free. It's made out of 50% recyclable plastic, and I'm pretty sure it's silicone free as well. So this is paraben free and silicone free, I'm pretty sure. But these products smell like straight coconut and pineapple, like so delicious, especially for the summertime. Oh, these smell so good. So I've been loving this cream, and I've also been loving the Pineapple Curls Refresher Mist. This is so good. It does not have silicone, and I love this. This refreshes my curls like the 2nd day, 3rd day. I just spray this. I get my hair nice and moist, and I, scrunch my hair. I put a little bit more defining cream in it, and I love it. This is so good. Not to mention, as it's refreshing my curls, it's also making my hair smell like straight Bahama mama juiciness, pineapple, Hawaiian lady, exotic lady. It just makes my hair smell so good. So I really love this because it like duos for like a hair perfume and it refreshes my curls. So I absolutely love that. That's it, you guys. I feel like this video is already going to be 100 years long, but those are my current favorites that I wanted to share with you guys. If you have any favorites yourself, comment below and tell me things that you've really been liking or things that you want me to test out or try or use. Let me know down below, because just like you guys make lists when I do these videos, I make lists also when you guys tell me what you think is really good that I should try. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and to go over to Instagram and follow me there. I actually am posting up fashion, things that I've been doing. I've been going on trips. So go over to Instagram, say hi, and comment on one of my pictures so that I know that you're from YouTube, the YouTube gang. I love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.